At this point, you know what Infisical is. You've got an account, projects, and secrets in it. That's enough to get started, but it's not enough to scale. Once you're dealing with multiple environments, multiple services, multiple teams, how you organize secrets matters a lot. This module is about building a structure that holds up. We're going to cover 5 things. First, environments: dev, staging, and production. You already have them, but we're going to talk about why they need to be separated and what goes wrong when they're not. The concept is blast radius, limiting how much damage a mistake or a leak can do. Second, folders or paths. As your project grows, you might have secrets for your backend, your front end, your background workers. Folders let you organize your secrets by service or components so you're not scrolling through a flat list of 100 different secrets. Third, referencing and imports. Say you have a database URL that's built from a host, a port, a username, and a password that all already exist. Instead of hard coding the full string, you can compose it using references to those other secrets. DB host, DB username, DB password, DB port. So anytime one of those individual values changes, your DB URL updates automatically. And when the same values are needed across environments or folders, imports let you pull them in instead of having to update them in all of these different places. Fourth, we'll talk about metadata: tags, comments, and personal overrides. These are the things that help your team understand what a secret's for, who owns it, and they let individual developers customize their local setup without affecting anyone else. Then fifth, versioning and recovery. Every change to a secret is tracked. You'll learn how to view a secret's history, inspect past values, and then roll back to a previous state if something goes wrong. By the end of this module, you'll have a clean, scalable structure. Secrets organized by environment and service, no unnecessary duplication, and the context your team needs to work confidently. Let's start with environments.